Well, we are here to discuss resource conservation management programs, and specifically the shared approach to RCM programs. And basically, what that is looking at using a group of smaller organizations to satisfy the requirements of having a large enough portfolio of facilities to qualify for an RCM program, or to make sense for an RCM program. And these two are RCMs for shared agencies. And so we're going to talk about generally what the RCM concept is, how the shared approach came to be, and some of the successes and also hurdles that these guys have experienced implementing the programs.
So we're both going to talk about kind of understanding what the role of a energy management program or resource conservation management program is within an organization, as well as what some of the particular additional challenges there are when you're working with multiple agencies rather than one large agency.
Right.
So that's sort of the focus. And a bit slanted towards local government because that's the sector that we've all been working with.
So I work for Puget Sound Energy, and PSE has an RCM incentive program, and we started out primarily supporting school districts and we've expanded into a lot of different sectors, including very heavily into the local government public agency sector. And so PSE really feels like this has been a valuable way for us to be able to help implement RCM programs in smaller organizations that wouldn't otherwise qualify for a PSE RCM incentive. The goal of an RCM program is to address operational and maintenance behavioral based energy efficiency measures within a large group of facilities or a large organization. And the point of having a large portfolio is that the savings should outweigh the salary of the RCM, essentially. So this is a good way, we think, the shared approach, to be able to get some smaller agencies banded together, focusing on this effort in a sustainable way.
The best thing about it is it's new and it's different and it's a challenge each day because you work with different municipalities. There's never a dull moment. It's never boring. There's so many different opportunities for touches with people and management styles and management structures and opportunities to change behavior, to show results. And that's a good thing. So you're never bored when you get up in the morning. You may be frustrated, but not bored.
I would agree that that's been one of the things that's been most interesting about this work is that you're constantly doing different things. You can be working on spreadsheets and doing some data analysis, or you can be working directly with staff in buildings, whether it's facilities or the building occupants, to look at how they could be doing things differently. Another time you can be working on outreach and marketing and communications packages and stuff. So it's just a very diverse position. You get to really address a lot of things, and that's interesting.
I personally, I just really like the people side of this particular program. Working with PSE's RCM program specifically has been really rewarding for me because, for better or worse, I'm kind of a people person. I like people. I'd rather work with people than numbers. I get to do both with this job, which is fun. But, I just really feel fortunate to be able to support, through the organization I work with, so many really intelligent folks out there trying to implement programs like this. And it's a great partnership between our utility company and agencies like this, and it's real rewarding for me, even when it's challenging, and there are a lot of potentially frustrating moments, but it's fun for me being able to work with such good people, and a lot of them. It's good.